what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing awesome. So I'm really excited for today's video because this is my first holiday themed video of the month. I'm gonna be doing a little holiday gift guide today. If you happen to be new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. I am actually doing Vlogmas this year, so I'm uploading a new video every other day. So lots of uploads, and hit the notification bell so you don't ever miss one. Before we get started, I just wanted to give a huge thank you and shout out to iHerb.com for sponsoring today's video. I actually partnered with iHerb over 2 years ago. It was like 2.5 years ago. So iHerb is pretty much an online store that has thousands of products that are kind of based around being either all natural or eco-friendly, stuff that you would usually find at like a health or pharmacy type of store. And not just that, but a lot of their products are really discounted, like 30 to 50% cheaper than the price you would pay going to a regular store. And also with every order over $20, you can actually get either free or discounted shipping, which is awesome. So they were super, super sweet, and they let me choose out some products on their website for a haul. But instead of doing the typical haul, I thought it would be fun to pick out items that I would like to receive as a gift / I want to show you guys are great gifts to give. Everything I'm showing you in this video is super affordable. Obviously, if you are in high school or college, you probably don't have thousands of dollars to drop on Christmas presents, and that's okay because all this stuff is really awesome, and each gift I'm going to show you is literally like $20 to $25 max. And if you want to get your hands on anything that I'm about to show in this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links to each product in the description box below. And one more thing before we get started, I would love if you guys would comment on this video and let me know either what you are asking for Christmas this year, or what you plan on giving, or what you think a good gift idea is. I would just love to hear you guys' thoughts. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I picked out about 10-ish items, but in total I'm going to be showing you guys 4 gift ideas. So each gift kind of consists of a couple different things in the bundle. So the first gift, and this is hands down, I think something that like no matter who you give this to, anyone is going to love this, is a oil diffuser. Oil diffusers, oh my goodness, if you've never tried an aroma oil diffuser out, you have to. These things are super inexpensive nowadays. So if you are new to the oil diffuser world, I'm gonna explain how it works. So pretty much you have this little device right here, and you can take the top off and fill it up with water, and then you take your oils. So here I ordered one of these little kits, so it has 4 different oils in them, and the smell of these are amazing. You can get so many different kinds of oils, but this is more of like a peace and relaxing kit. Kind of just think about how it smells when you go into a spa. That's kind of what all this stuff smells like. So anyways, you take an oil and you just put a few droplets on top of the water. Basically diffuses the water into the air in kind of like a mist form in a way. So along with the diffuser and this little oil kit, I also picked out one of these roll-on oils. So you can get different roll-on oils if you want to like use it on your skin instead. And you guys should totally do a little bit of research about this because so many different kind of aromatherapy oils have been known to cure headaches, anxiety, tons of different stuff. So for me, my favorite smelling oil is frankincense. It's just amazing. So I knew I had to pick out this, which is the frankincense roll-on oil. And what's so awesome about this aromatherapy kind of kit idea is if you have someone you know that you're not really sure what kind of smells they're into and you don't want to necessarily buy them a candle, this is a great alternative because chances are they're gonna like one of these 4. And then also they can go out and buy their own other oils if they want to use with this. All right, next gift idea. We all have that one friend that is either super healthy or that one friend that always says they're gonna get super healthy. So I came up with a little gift idea if you have a friend like that in your life. So something you could do is come up with some kind of little healthy bundle bag of maybe foods that you've never seen them try, or just some of their favorite healthy staple foods. So the first staple food that any health freak is gonna have in their pantry is a bag of chia seeds. Chia seeds are amazing. These things are packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, protein, fiber, pretty much a lot of really good stuff. So if you have a friend that's kind of trying to get on that health kick, I feel like buying them something like this is gonna really inspire them because it's something totally different that you're not usually gonna pick up on your weekly grocery run unless you know about all the benefits associated with them. Next, you guys are gonna laugh at me for this, but okay, almond butter. So get your healthy friend some almond butter because this is the type of stuff that every healthy person loves having in their pantry, but it's just kind of annoying to buy because I think it's like $8 or $10 for something like this, which is not that much money to spend on a gift for somebody. But when you're at the grocery store, that can actually add up really quickly when you're buying all your other groceries. So yeah, almond butter, especially if somebody you know is trying to get healthy, this is an awesome substitute that they can use instead of peanut butter. They can make acai bowls and just really, really yummy stuff with this. All right, so the next thing in this little health gift bundle I want to show you guys, when I saw this on iHerb's website, I got so excited because I've had these before, but they're kind of hard to find in your typical grocery store. So these are these raw vegan turmeric coconut wraps, and you're probably like, what is a coconut wrap? So these are pretty much kind of a substitute to a tortilla or something like that, and it's just made out of coconut, and you can, you know, make a normal wrap. It's not like a dessert or anything like that. You can make a normal wrap with it. So this comes with 5 wraps, which is the perfect amount for someone that's kind of just trying to test them out. And if you guys are wondering, these don't have a super strong coconut taste, so when you bite into your wrap, you're not gonna, you know, feel like you're biting into a coconut. The final item I have in this healthy gift bundle is this Four Sigmatic mushroom sampler box. So I don't know if you guys have heard about Four Sigmatic. In my opinion, it's all over YouTube, but pretty much this right here is coffee that is made from extracted mushrooms, which I know that sounds absolutely crazy. Trust me though, it tastes like regular coffee. It's just a whole lot better for you. So pretty much this is a sampler box, which was super cheap, but it's awesome because it comes with a bunch of different kinds in here. And then when you open it up, it comes with like this little label, and it kind of just gives you a good idea about what they taste like / what benefits you can get from each kind. But yeah, chances are if you have a friend that is kind of health conscious, they have probably heard all about this stuff and are probably wanting to give it a try. So this sampler box is awesome because it's the perfect size, it's not too big, and it's super affordable. All right, the next gift I have for you guys, this is super easy to give. You can pretty much give this to anyone that wears makeup once in a while or every day. So I picked out just a couple of makeup items, and if I were to receive this bundle, I would be very, very happy. So here I have 3 items. First, I have this, which is an EcoTools little mini brush set. So it comes with a couple of face brushes and some eye brushes. You can never go wrong with EcoTools. I feel like it's a perfect gift to give because of how cute the little box is. And they're also a really well-known brand. You see EcoTools everywhere. And then also I picked out a couple of items from e.l.f. I'm sure you guys have heard all about e.l.f. makeup. Super affordable, but it has a very nice kind of chic and just a very nice look to it. So first, this is their face primer. I have gone through so many bottles of this. This is their tone adjusting one in brightening lavender. This primer, you guys, if you try this out, it makes your skin so soft, like softer than any kind of moisturizer has ever made my skin. If you've tried this, you definitely know what I'm talking about. And then the third item is this, which is the e.l.f. California Baked Eyeshadow Palette. Let's be real, you could never go wrong with getting someone an eyeshadow palette, especially neutral tones like this. I will say for any kind of baked product, you should use some kind of like setting spray when you like spray your brush before you put the eyeshadow on the brush, or just wet your brush, do something like that because it helps pick up the product a lot better. Look at that. Do you see how pretty these are? You can not only create like a really neutral look, but you can totally go smoky with it too. Okay, so we have the oil diffuser for the friend that likes scents. We have the healthy stuff for your healthy friend. We have the makeup for your makeup junkie friend. And then finally, I was shopping around and I was like, what can I do for the 4th gift? And on their website, bam, I found Mrs. Meyer's stuff, and I was like, okay, duh, that's what we're getting. So obviously we all have that one friend that's like a grandma and secretly like loves lighting candles and having nice soaps and stuff like that. And if you guys have ever heard of Mrs. Meyer's, it's this brand that just, they're pretty much all over. I feel like they have it in pretty much every grocery store nowadays. Mrs. Meyer's has soap and dish soap and candles and fragrances and just a lot of really good stuff. So I picked out a couple things, and I think this is really cute. I only picked out these 2 items, but you could totally kind of go above and beyond and maybe get them another candle or maybe another soap to go along with it, just so that it looks maybe a little more full. Okay, so first, this is the Basil hand soap. You can't go wrong with this one. It honestly smells so clean. I wish my sheets could smell like this non-stop. And then also, this is very holiday-esque, I feel like. This is the peppermint candle, and this is actually a scented soy candle, which soy candles are really good, and it has a 25-hour burn time, which I think that's amazing for a small candle like this. But you guys, Oh my goodness, I just want to eat it. It tastes like a peppermint. All right, you guys, that pretty much sums it up for my holiday gift guide video. I really hope you guys got something out of this. I try to stick with just things that are cheap, affordable, and very versatile. I don't think I would ever be upset if I received, you know, candles or makeup or aromatherapy as gifts, because who doesn't love that stuff? And I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video, but I know Christmas time is, you know, a time for giving and all that kind of stuff, but I did want to tell you guys that, in my opinion, the best gift that you can give above all is love and gratitude to the people that you love and you care about, because life is so short, and I feel like it's just so important to constantly express to people that you care about how much you love them. I don't know, I just feel like it's really important to do that kind of stuff. All right, guys, I love you all so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.